catch the next one up here, so people. Come here. Oh. Something more. They got something more, people. They have him.
Come over.
Wait.
Too high.
Now hold on.
Hold on here, look boy. Hold on here.
I want little rod here. Right there. Yes, people, welcome back to another video. We are out here again, people. Guess which part I'm there today? I hear some see them catch all like big jack. Pan the Snook as well. Pan the CausewayBridge. So we're out here, I kind of reach late. I should have reached from early in the morning, but we're there here now. So today we are going to see if we can hook up some fish. We're going to take out my line and we're going to try a thing. So we have a bridge in here today too. Where's my G?
Yeah man, way in here.
Yes, no man.
On it, you know?
Alright. So people, I'm going to set out my line. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to set out with one live shrimp and see if we can hook up something. The sun hot, so I have to go draw from my hot. Alright? So I want to watch the process. A be line, be a rod and reel upon it. The bridge here, you people. If you could have seen mount a line where they in the water. We are hanging off of the bridge right now. So if I see any action, I go make you see what's going on. Alright? So I'm go and watch the process. Believe. So general I put on the shrimp. So I'm throw it out now. The shrimp up on it. Yeah, live shrimp. Yeah. Well, cast it out there now. Got all a big snook pan this here now. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Yes, no man. We got all a big top on you now, people. Now watch the process, you know. Alright? Me say them say beat the down that side, I'm probably going to try my cast net and see if I can hook up anything. So now watch the process, alright? Believe.
It draw everything this move.
That's that move.
Yeah.
Right. So people, we're not a rod holder, because you know nothing for putting a rod holder in. You have a few spots, but when you're not a rod holder, this I see them do out here. Put the rod down and then use like a big stone for hold down the rod. Alright? So we just have to go watch it and hope say we hook up a big fish and them not draw away rod and reel. Like right here, so I'm gonna show you a panda rod here. They have a wall right here, so but a wall here. I like when them build the road they drain in for drain off water. So a few of them up on the bridge go straight up. So man put them rod in it as well. But if you don't have that, that way you have to go, that method you have to use. You have to put your rod on the ground and make it stay like that, or you hold it in your hand. Alright? So we're there out here today. John told me I should have bring my drone, but I forgot to bring the drone. Because I would have taken some nice drone shot right here now. But now I go hold a handline in my hand here now. Rod and reel, and see if I can catch anything upon that. Alright? So I want to lock in, I want to watch the process, and I want to believe. Alright? As a fisherman. Hold on. See a boatman I go through here. Look now, man. Boatman gone through. Watch the process. People. Yo, the sun out there red. The sun out there turn up. So, but it's a good thing the car the close by where you can lift up the top and you can come have a little cool shade and sit down and relax a little bit. You have to have on face this by your hat by your head, and you have to have on them long something there or long pants. Cause the sun out here red. Cause here no tree. See there? Right in the road with the Panda Bridge. See? The main road over there, so. But back in the days, this was the main road. Before them built the highway there. Highway 2000. Yeah. But go and watch the process with the out here as normal. I go on normal out. Alright? You believe? We must get something today now. Alright? So now watch the process. The man them set out all some fine beanie rod. No wonder if a fish all hold them here. Look on the rod and reel. Well, this of here I'll catch all some 1 pound fish now. What if a big fish hook that? So our next one up here so look like plastic. That one you want to see through one. This that one here. So if a big fish will hold this. You think it got broke. But if a man know them rod and reel where it can manage. Cause I mean I think I could have managed something like if my big fish I feel say if a big fish hold like all a good 15 pound jack or a 15 pound snook or any 15 pound fish hold that a broke up. But let us see. We want to see one of them hold a big fish today. But out here so you have to have a whole heap of patience. About 15 to 20 rod and reel line out on the bridge. And we just have to just wait and see which one of them are going to catch the first fish or make the first run. So, make us see what's going on, alright? Believe. General there start set up him line. Professional way. I'm saying I hold something big today, you know.
Sure. For sure.
Yeah. So now go and watch the process, alright? The boatman them will go through.
Yeah man, I must big up Mr. Rowan. Mr. Rowan Davis. Yeah, we this, you know. Yeah man, we find the soldier, you know, brother. So line up yourself because we can fish again. Cool, man.
Yes, no man. So Rowan, line up yourself because we are coming. This is just the beginning.
Sure.
And remember there is no end. So just prepare. So we are out here. Mr. Davis, we don't have no fear. Look over there. Yeah. Drop off. Judge, whole one a while ago, people. But him get away. So I'm go back out there again.
So you have to deal with them. So you have all different sizes up for them.
Yeah, man. Must catch one. Watch it. People, when you're there on the edge right just so yo, for me, it feels scary. Cause I don't feel like me I go drop off. But my line there over there, so me I watch my line. I go check on it. Look and see what I go and feed. Still there out there. Not pick it up as yet. So go and watch the process, alright? On cruise ship the way out the over Port Royal. One cruise ship come today. Yes, no. Clean catch one. catch one of them people. What that one name?
I think them fisher, them can call them whitening. I think a whitening is them call them. You know?
Whitening.
Yeah.
Oh, man, people, you see that? Believe.
And
Dan, catch him.
Nice eating fish these.
Yeah, man.
Some people say them are red jump, but I'm not sure about red jump. They look
Oh.
like a whitening.
First nice one of them fish there.
So like a red jump, so nice.
People don't look on it. If you don't know the name for it, you don't reckon know. Alright? Believe. Yeah, you might make nice. Don't like Jumma.
So like a jump, true.
Who know what that fish are name? Comment down below. So people, I cast out my line. See if I can hook up something. But hold on, see a fish just jump up out of the water. How am I throw out give them? So a boatman. We have to make a boatman go different direction cause some of them will come will drive just and not up the net them. The line them, if I say. And that we know so me have my line set out there, wait for something, grab it. But we're not getting a pick yet. So we are going to watch it, alright? Believe. Alright people, so be it up again. We're going to chew up back the line again. Yeah.
Like right, that goes stand up, right?
Yeah.
There, right there,
Yes.
Can't jump like this. Yeah, hold on. We are doing anything now. Hold it right. Hold this. You look at this, and you hold this way, and I take time and lower it.
And take time to lower it down.
Yeah, that's lower it down. If you understand me, I say.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Alright.
There people who look way up, you know?
Yeah. People are scared no blood fire doing it.
Till you feel it go right on my back. Take time to the top, right on my back.
Alright, so I'm going to set it. But I scared if you look over there. So if you slip, you're gone in the water. Yeah. We catch one small one. Yeah. Believe. Look at that. Can't say me not catch nothing off the bridge, you know. People can't say me not catch nothing off the bridge. You just catch one. So we go back to your next one. Woo! Jaja. But General, hold one up here, so people. Got one. One more them on it. Look at that. Yeah. That is it. We are hold them.
Every time.
Believe.
Fish on. Every time.
Wow. Whole a snook. Can get hook. See one of them pull up. Just pull him off a while ago. Join up. Wow. I want more? But hold up. One more size. Eh? Live shrimp you use?
You chill away here?
Right.
Oh, right. They're not good.
Oh, you put on live shrimp on it. Yeah.
Don't take it out of this.
So you pin it, let me say you pin it. And you pin it through the head.
Give me.
Believe. Look what going people. And me just catch this, you know, a joke me I make. In general I catch him. But yeah, this nice. Believe it. As a fisherman. Yes no man. Two of them then catch you know. Spots man. Right on the spot. Right on the bridge. Alright? I'm gonna catch my one you now, so watch the process. Alright? Believe.
Big up. Yeah, Jamaica Trada. The Nigel. Yeah, number one fish. You know? Number one channel.
Yeah man.
Big up on yourself.
So people, wanna go over to him channel and show him some love.
Yeah, Jamaica Trada.
Jamaica Trada. So the link I go down in the description. So I want to go give him some support. You hear people and make him know say Nigel say no no. As a fisherman. Believe.
Yeah, it's the fisher, you know.
Yeah man.
Only. Oh,
You hold one?
again.
There.
Yeah.
Yes, no man.
Alright.
Big up. Rasta man, hold something. Where you hold?
Pampas.
One pampas. Yo people, Rasta man, hold a pampas.
Brand new baby me again.
Let me show you what they call pampas people. Yeah, man. Soursop fish them. Pampas fish different from soursop fish. Oh, we never know that. Now I learn something. You just get one small pampas. Alright, so now go and watch the process. People, the sun round this side here hotter than every other sun. I tell you, sun round here so hot. But I just come take a little water break. And I still have my line out there and still watch them and see if I can catch something. But I know I'm not catch nothing more. From me catch that one little fish there, we not catch nothing more as yet. So I'm going to go and watch the process and hope say we can catch a couple more, alright? Believe. And hold something more people, then hold something more. Then got something more people. Then have him.
Come over.
Then hold him.
Wait. Two eye. Wait. Two eye.
One snook. Oh, one more snook.
You know that me release. I'm there, you know. I'm there. Hold it.
Then have him.
Alright.
Hold one more snook.
You have a game chain, you think you can lift here and? Yeah man, lift. Alright, come over. Leg off of the track, let me in. Come over. Step back with the line.
Pulling.
Real, take in the line. Taking the line.
Bring him up.
Back up. Boom, buckler.
What did you do about? What did you do?
Line bus star, what I say it go still. We at it again. Believe. Bring him up, Turbo, bring him up. And catch our next one, people. Fight. Wait, knife. He might look for a knife. Alright, it cut. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. I walk with him people. Cause I don't want to try drive him up this time and he go burst off. So I walk with it. So I go and lock in and see what go on. So I walk with the fish people. Cause him no want to try pull him up. Like going to the last one and the line bust. So I walk with him, a man that down at the flat. So when he reach down there, the man there go get him and bring him up. You see it? So we walk go down there, go look and see what take place. Good with some of my action when I go on from the bridge. You see it, people? Believe. You see what go on? See your people? Look at that. How much pound this? About 5 pound, oh? Yeah. Then catch the next one up here, so people. Come in. There'll be action and go on. Hold on, they are run go up there. Let's see what go on. People, they have him. You have him this time. Yeah. Bring him in.
Watch it. Come on, big man.
Yeah. Come up. Yeah. Look at that. Yes, Mr. Chin. Whoa, something else. Yo.
Be careful, Cypher.
Fish then they're out here. Fish then they're out here. Whoa, leave. So, you gotta catch my one, you know. Yeah. Watch the process. Believe.
I say that boom knock at them a pick. You see?
See me, I tell them I need to get no video of them thing for a video for my channel.
Ja.
Yeah, tell you
But you
them.
take off your gun.
See?
Yeah.
See, killer, yeah?
When you don't know now, one on the dog, believe my GoPro drop of water.
Yeah.
When you know it go. Watch your channel, big up, subscribe, share and like, when you know it go.
Alright, which channel you then you can check it out?
On the dog wildlife.
On the Dog Wildlife.
Yeah,
You hear
just
that?
go over there.
Yeah, man.
I left a link in our bio.
Believe. Yeah, man, so you just get ya. How about what 6 pound this though?
I'm gonna put it at 7.
Alright, 7 pound. Believe, people, believe. Now hold on more. Hold on, people. Hold on, next one too. Whoa. 2 of them hook up. Where's the 2 on the hook up?
One of them faster Santan. No problem, break this. Break this, man. Hold on, yan, look, boy. Hold on, yan. Hold up. Hold on, boss. Are you a fish? Am I okay, funny, dude? Somebody have to cut them line. Hold on.
So 2 hook only fish.
Here, man.
See fish there?
Pull your bail. Can't come here, son. Dry your man. Pull your bail back.
Come on, people. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Fish are dead.
You're not film one there. You're no club.
Boy.
Fish days.
Deserve it, my boy.
A big snook there.
You deserve it, my boy. 1 bun to Santan.
Ball and cat, you know?
Ball and cat, I say you just set it, man. No, not me, I'm an apprentice.
So Turbo I'm gonna show you a chewy net. Watch the process.
Alright. So you get it up to a manageable amount today, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Then you grab the head.
Yeah.
Grab the head, catch it back to a manageable amount like what I said. middle finger out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, middle finger out. Then you catch it, any part you catch, put it over the middle finger. Outer road. 1, 2, 3. To you now. Get it up to half. You get it up to half is a one motion.
Yeah.
Bumps. You leg on the front and hold the back and then you leg on the back. So I'm gonna show you. This is half of the bridge top, you know.
Half a bridge top.
Yeah. Breeze are blow and the wind strong against me and the net still are up.
Yeah.
But the tactics are over show you. I make it sink to the bottom, when you sink to the bottom, you pull it up.
Ja. Full of it.
Simple as 1, 2, 3, ABC.
No,
You go get me.
two of them that book, don't drop me.
That I run from. Hold on. Now I'm going to neck rough so like put you know. My woman this, we don't have sheep, we don't have nothing and tough.
Cast it out there again. What size net?
9 foot.
9 foot.
Light one.
Oh. Just like that. Catch one blue crab in right here.
Blue crab. Catch all shrimp in the net, regular.
And the jump up my line.
You know one of them? Little one.
Bite it up.
Yeah, I know the same bite.
You feel like you know bite. Bye.
Yeah. Beat them off and beat. I got chew down here again. But you say you can't chew at the same side?
Yeah, you can't show so close on the same side.
Oh.
But each up over there, man. Each over there and the damage.
Look at a big crab. Hold on for a little crab.
Baby that man, 120 pound looking.
What's it? Clamp him, man.
You don't pay somebody.
Can't get to it. So John people, when they down there, so I try to get some bait. And the general tell me, say, the rod here, peel off the little one. That one here. Something pick up it and I run with it. But I did some light sink line with the davamp on it. Fine line.
Small.
I did what size?
20 pounds.
20 pounds. Cause we just there try if we can catch some of the fish them we catch. So, but something look like something big did hook it up and run with it. You don't say Ben, what you say? Ben!
Ben man, what I say? Ben to the extent.
Ja. So now we put on a thicker line on it and set it back out there. So hope so we can catch something big. Alright? Believe we have some crab in the water right or so. Yeah. The sun not that hot here now, the sun kinda cool down. But we go and watch the process because we want to catch a snook to ourselves, you know, because every man them up there say catch be a big snook, you know, man. One weigh 7 pounds, the man say, rest of them are 2 and 3 pounds. But you know, go and watch the process, a be action here on the bridge. I always see bridge with be action on YouTube. Now I'm there in a person and it's a vibes. Believe. I come back here so. When I go see me out here some more often. Believe no man. Watch the process. Like in wall something people. Eh?
Look press, now come press. Look how wide.
Yeah. It sink. No, one fish.
A fish?
Yeah.
Then he went up on him, huh? Where there?
In sink, in dive off back.
What kind of fish?
But no, but one black one.
Yeah.
You ain't go so. How are you do, boss?
No, man. When the funny one, when the funny but I mean, I want to see Mr. Ansel guy now.
Let's see how are these people. They catch something else. Look here now, man. Believe. I say action start back. What's the war going on, rest of people? Look like action start, no? Ain't not catch nothing. And they really in one a while ago, what's the war going on? Oh, you catch one more German?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look for it, look for it.
cut bait you use.
Look for it.
In the same day? Wow. I'm fishing here so. What? People are right on the hedge me there, you know. BA line setting over. Right on the edge of the bridge. So you don't know if I slip, straight to water I'm gone. See a big boat a come across there. So there I hope and pray so I catch something big. But I'm going to go and watch the process. Nice one. Nice one from them. Look now, man. Believe. Jaja. That one is big. Kid something. Believe it. People in walls up here say again. Wall something. For one little rod, you know. Rod and reel. You see what's going on? Yeah. Holy
Jumma, bumbo clout to one ras one.
One Jumma.
Oh, what size line you have for it? The lead line now what? You mean murder them is turbo? You feel like you can manage to lift him up?
Yeah. Try.
Hold it. Work with me. Reel. Reel. Don't stop.
Come up with it. Yeah.
Stop telling boy yank the fish.
You want to make it nice, eh? That's why they call him Jumma. Oh, you're nice, eh? To make that one a big.
Yo, that Jumma run like a madman. You deserve it, you.
Yes, no man. See money we catch him. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah. As a fisherman. People a big jack come up there a while ago. Man, them took off like kite. But none of them no catch none. Watch and see. What? It look like somebody hook up one down there. Yeah, look like one hook up. Look like the Rasta brother in a brown shirt hook up. Yeah, Ross, bring him in! Bring him in, Ross! Look like he hold one of them people. Don't know how Wayne hold yet. Yeah, and hold one I jack them, in catch one I jack them. Yeah, brother down there so hook up one more people. Bring him in. Got him, bring him in, people. It's a fight. We are run go down there. I'm gonna see what goes on. Lock in.
For subscribing. Yeah.
See here?
That's what I'm
I'm gonna bleed him.
Relax, don't touch.
Look at that.
The subscriber didn't like
Eh? Yes, the man. As a fisherman.
Up there now.
Yeah. Believe. Jaja people.
Yeah, shot him. Yuzuri Hydro Monster. Never miss. Couldn't get wet. Watch it.
Look at that.
Hold up a fish, sir.
That's smart.
Hold up a fish, yeah man. That look like a 9-10.
Believe. I second one, this
Yeah,
catch.
I
Oh.
won't get away.
This is the lure.
Jaja.
The new sheriff in town.
I slow that.
Yuzuri Hydro Monster shot. The new sheriff in town.
Oh,
Yeah,
believe.
man. Alright.
Jaja. See next general over here so we catch on. Where are you going with you? You catch the first one, don't it? What size? About what size you think?
About 7 might be 8 pound, you know.
Yes, no man, as a fisherman.
Flat up, you know.
Believe. I don't get say Jack them there no people. Jack them are running in the evening. John know me have to run come down and come get some of my action. I couldn't see what going on. What type of lure you use? Yuzuri. Yeah man, the Yuzuri, good brand. Big up on yourself. Believe. Jaja. Believe it. So a second one they done catch. Believe it. Right in there. People, I go cast out my one now and see if I can catch my one now. Believe. If the water stir up back, right? If the water stir up back, when the water stir up, we can chew up the lure out there. So we just wait for the water move. As the water start move, you don't know it's action time. So now go and watch the process. Today I wait. Yes, so them are coming in now. Alright. I see bird them. Them the close by people, them the close by. So now go and watch the process. People, come to an end of night, come down you know. I'm going to catch a few, 2 jobber. I try hook up, run down 2 of them jack defecation, but we're not catching them. But people, enough love and respect. Thank you for watching. It was a vibes, lone action here on the bridge. Definitely. I come back here so again. You can't see me because it's dark. So big up on yourself. And big up G, yeah? Big up yourself.
Yeah,
although
bless up,
it's
bless
dark
up.
and things.
Yeah man, bless up.
Was a good day, right?
Yeah, we
Whole
give
for
thanks.
action going on.
Yeah, for real.
Alright.
Yeah man. Bless up.
So people, little more.